Dan sien ons die liefde van Jesus, sy omgee, gee vir ons 'n belofte. There's a promise in what Jesus did. Luke 23, we started with that part and we see there were two criminals hanged each side of him, one on the left, one on the right. And then we see in verse 39, the following part, one of the criminals who hung there hurled insults at him. Aren't you the Messiah? Save yourself and us. Dying, he thought it better to tease, to curse, to blaspheme. Verse 40, but the other criminal rebuked him. Don't you fear God? He said, since you are under the same sentence, hy sê, in ons geval is dit regverdig. Ons verdien eintlik om hier te wees. Ons ontvang die verdiende straf vir ons dade, maar hierdie man het niks gedoen nie. Verder sê hy, Jesus, dink aan my wanneer u in u koninkryk kom. En dan gee Jesus hierdie belangrike uitspraak, terwyl hy daar hang, terwyl sy longe probeer saamtrek, en hy hierdie woorde probeer uitkry, dan sê hy, ek verseker jou, vandag sal jy saam met my wees in die paradys. There's a promise. A promise that in Jesus, death is not the end. There's something to look forward to.